Hey guys, this is Dano from Hidden Bigfoot Research Labs, and today I was working on my car and I noticed that my AC system was messed up, so it wasn't a problem that this wire was broke or unhooked. But I can see where they taped it up before, but these two wires were disconnected. And I wanted to show y'all how to solder automotive wires back together, because this is going to be right in front of the fan. There's going to be a lot of vibrations, there's going to be a lot of shaking around. I want to make sure this don't ever come back apart again. Okay, now I got my rosin pin. I've had this thing for a long time. And I want to twist these wires together. I got my soldering iron. And I think this is a 45 watt, I can't remember. The sticker came off of it a long time ago. And I've had problems with it sticking. The solder is not always fun. I'll coat that wire in that solder and let it infuse into itself. And you see that? And see now it's not coming free. But alright guys, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. I'm going to finish these other two wires up, and once I get done I'm going to tape up each cover with a nice piece of good tape. And then I wish I had some or some shrink wrap with me, but I don't. But make sure and check out my other videos, and thanks for watching. Alright, laters.